Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, no rest for the wicked, the saying goes, and it is pretty clear that they are moving in to finish him off. Guys, I bring you this: Tinubu not permitted to attend NEC meeting, presidency gives reasons. So Buhari is now coming out to state why he barred Tinubu from attending the National Executive Committee meeting of a party, the APC, that he, Tinubu, founded. So Tinubu have no doubt founded this party, but Mallam Buhari has taken it upon himself in his own wisdom to exclude him now from the NEC meeting of that party. So the headline again: Tinubu not permitted to attend NEC meeting, presidency gives reasons. So now let's see what the Malami has to say. The NEC meeting was convened by the factional acting national chairman of the party, Chief Victor Giedam. Reacting to the development on Wednesday, presidential spokesperson Bashir Ahmed tweeted that Tinubu will not be attending the meeting because he is not a member of the National Executive Committee of the party. There are some people who need to know that the national leader of the APC, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, is not a member of the National Executive Committee NEC of the party. Hence, he doesn't attend the NEC meetings. This is very clear, he wrote. Bashir's statement is coming shortly after the NWC of the party, alongside members of the party loyal to the Tinubu/Adams Oshiomhole faction of the party, declined to attend the virtual meeting with President Buhari. Bashir's statement is coming shortly after the NWC of the party, alongside members of the party loyal to the Tinubu/Adams Oshiomhole faction of the party, declined to attend the virtual meeting with the president. On Wednesday evening, President Buhari declared support for Victor Giedam, backing him as acting national chairman because the law is on his side. So a technicality, but from the reading of that though, we are not sure if it is Tinubu that declined to go to the meeting or he was exempt from the meeting. But all the readings is that he is exempt from the meeting, that he was exempt from the meeting, and the only person that has the status and the sagacity to exclude Tinubu from an APC meeting is none other than Mallam Buhari. So it is now a frontal one-on-one, mano a mano. Put up your fist and put up a fight is really what Mallam Buhari is now saying to Tinubu. Having now completely decimated Oshibanjo, he's now going for the head. They say take off the head and the body will follow. So he's not just going frontally now after Tinubu, no question about that. And in the subsequent videos that I shall be bringing you on this particular topic, this will be exemplified even more. Conversations in the comment section. Come share thoughts. What are you reading into this? He's hiding behind the spokesman, but this of course are the words of Mallam Buhari, make no mistake. But what is your take? That is what I would like to know. So come share that with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on like as well. So now, having done all three, then come join me in the comment section to evolve this conversation. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.